Jordan 4RM Wolf Grey brings a fresh twist to a legendary silhouette, showcasing Jordan Brand's ability to evolve while staying true to its roots. This fall 2025 release, priced at $150, introduces a low-cut redesign with modern materials, blending suede, mesh, and molded overlays in a balanced mix of wolf gray and neutral gray. The translucent outsole and updated midsole add a sleek, street-ready edge. Despite the modern upgrades, the shoe retains key heritage elements, most notably, Varsity Red accents on the tongue's Jumpman logo and the Nike Air branding on the heel, injecting a nostalgic touch. At its core, the design honors the essence of the Michael Jordan era, even as it pushes into new territory. By combining innovative craftsmanship with iconic aesthetics, the Jordan 4RM Wolf Grey underscores the brand's ongoing mission to celebrate the past while embracing the future of sneaker culture.